car 1 leaves from Pune at 10 a.m. and moves towards Mumbai at uniform speed. Okay, there are 2 points. This is Pune and this is Mumbai. So car 1 leaves at 10 a.m. This is car 1 which leaves at 10 a.m. towards Mumbai, and car 2 leaves Mumbai at 11. Okay, so there is this car 2 which leaves Mumbai at 11 a.m. towards Pune at same uniform speed as that of car 1. So car 1 and car 2 are moving at same speed. It is going towards Pune and it is going towards Mumbai. If both cars meet at 2 p.m. same day, so they are meeting at 2 p.m. someday. Okay, let's just see what is happening. Car A will travel for 1 hour. Okay, let's just assume car 1 is at here at 11 a.m. It is here and it is moving towards Mumbai. So now both these cars are starting at the same time. So they will meet at the midpoint because the speed of both the cars is constant and same for both the cars. So they will meet at the midpoint. This is the meeting point and they are meeting here at 2 p.m. So how much time is this? 3 hours. Car 1 is taking 3 hours to travel this distance. Car 2 will also take 3 hours to cover this distance. And car 1 has already taken 1 hour to cover this distance. Okay. Let's just read what is given next. What would be the meeting time? What would be the meeting time if car 1 had driven at a 10% higher speed? Okay, so the speed of car 1 is increased by 10% and car 2 had driven at 10% lower speed. So the speed of car 2 is decreased by 10%. So let's just assume the number to be smart. In second case, car 1 speed is increased by 10% and car 2 speed is lower by 10%. So I am assuming speed in first case to be 10 unit. Let's just 10 units. Car 2 was also driven at speed of 10 units. Now in second case, car 1 will, this is the speed of car 2, 11 because it has increased by 10%, and car 2 will travel in this direction with a speed of how much? 9 units because it has increased by 10. Now let's just see how much time will it take for the meeting of these two cars in second case. Okay, now just understand one thing. If it is traveling at a speed of 10 units, I can fairly say this is 10 units of distance, or let's just assume it 10x. If this is 10x, because speed is uniform and time is in the ratio 1 hour and 3 hours, so distance will be in this ratio also. So if this is 10 unit, this is 30 unit of distance and this is also 30 unit of distance. So from here I know total distance between Pune and Mumbai is 70x. Okay, let's just take the next case. Now car 1 is traveling with a speed of 11. In 1 hour, if it is started at 10 a.m. in 1 hour at 11 a.m. it has traveled how much? 11x unit of distance. How much is left? Total distance were 70x. Now 11x is covered. What is left is 59x, and 59x has to be covered by both with the relative speed of 20 or same. So now car 1 has taken 1 hour, and for meeting car 1 and car 2 will take how much time? Covering 59 with a speed of 11 and 9, 20. So how much time is taken? 20 to 42 hours complete, and 19 upon 20 hour. If I convert it into your minutes, how much would I get? 2 hour 57 minutes in meeting. 2 hour 57 minutes, 57 minutes in meeting from 11. 11 and 2 is 1. So they will meet at 1:57 in this case. So correct answer to this question is option D. They will meet now at 1 hour 57 minute or 1:57 p.m.